Hey guys, back with another video that nobody asked for, but we're gonna do it anyway. Oh, hey Loki, okay. Today I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful decoration. It's kind of modern, kind of boho, kind of rustic, kind of everything. Yeah, let's see. There's not many materials needed. Hula hoop. Yep. You will also need a glue gun with lots of glue sticks. It takes a minute. Kind of stating the obvious with this one, but twine. And decorative plants. First, you're gonna wanna rip this tape off the middle part, and it's gonna take a while, so. Really hope your glue gun was plugged in this whole time because you're gonna need it. It should be nice and hot, and in the part that the hula hoop is like half connected, like right here, that's where you're gonna wanna start your twine. So it's easiest for me to hold it between my knees, kind of like that. Okay, and then yeah, you're gonna wanna glue in that hole there, and then that's where you're gonna wanna start the twine. And then I try to keep the twine on as kind of close as possible, and I just start wrapping it above, and every so often put a little bit of glue so that it holds, and then repeat, you know. Okay, it's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna time lapse this because nobody wants to sit here for an hour, you know? Also, side note, you're going to wanna leave some of them loose enough that you can get the bits of the branch in there, because I didn't do that for that one, so it was a bit of a challenge, so that's what I'm gonna be doing for this. I tried to tuck in big flyaways like this inside and try to glue them down just so that they're not like eyesores. I feel like, I don't know, I wouldn't really like this to just be sticking out somewhere, so try to tuck it in with your finger and then just glue it down. So far, so good. It's actually quite relaxing. I mean, my back's in a little bit of pain, but I like it. Just a PSA, maybe don't burn your finger on hot glue. I don't know. That's usually a good rule of thumb. Like 3/4 way done. It's a workout. Not again. So if you saw me in the time lapse ripping any of these, just mind your business and don't say anything and don't hurt my feelings. No, I'm joking. Sometimes they're easier to rip, so if you just rip them out, then like perfect. But if they're a bit like stuck in there, that's when you just want to glue them down. So as you get closer to the end, you're gonna wanna be a bit more loosey-goosey with it, only because it's gonna be harder to put the plant decoration part in it if it's too tight. So yeah, you can definitely do it more loose, and you can ease up on how much hot glue you use in between them as well. That way it's just easier. You don't have to be ripping it apart at the end my gosh, I'm almost done. It actually didn't take as long this time. Last time it took me a couple days because I kept taking breaks, but yeah. Practice makes perfect, I guess. Yay, okay, so we're basically at the end. Would you look at that? I need to go and grab scissors, so pause. Okay, yeah, so now I've got my scissors. I'm gonna cut it, just a little bit of room to spare, only because you never know what you will need. Okay, so let's see. I don't want to glue anything down just yet. Let me move closer. Because I think it'll be easier if I actually, so with the plant here, it has like metal and stuff, so yeah, that's why it's like easier to not ravel it as tightly. Every day I'm struggling. Okay. I'm gonna cut some of this plastic off and make my life much easier. You can just kind of glue down the last piece there. Honestly, 14 out of 10 that I did not cut that because it was just enough to wrap around this. Sometimes you just have to love yourself a little extra because I don't know about you, but I do right now. Okay. See, okay, and it's okay that there's a little bit of green on the back that you can see because it's gonna be at the back anyway. So right now, this is what the front is looking like. Yay! Might have to adjust a little. And I like to, honestly, I just like to glue like a little part of right in here down to it so that's not sticking out all willy-nilly. Drop of glue, you don't want to like do too much, you know. It's down, TikTok. Okay. And voila! We are done. Okay, JK, so I changed my mind. And I'm gonna do it the opposite way so that they match so that they can go back next to each other. Just find the missing. See, this is why I told you to do it all loosey-goosey. It's much easier to squish it inside. Just like that. See? Look how nice. Okay. Yeah, I wanted it to face the opposite way so that they would match better. Honestly, it works either way then if you decide to wrap it around it or if you put it in after, so that's good. You know, trial and error. Learn. Make mistakes and we grow. That's what makes us human, you know. A little dot up here again. And I'm actually gonna add this plant to it too because it's lonely and it wants a friend. I'm gonna take it off its metal stem though, so it's a bit easier to add to the game. What you want to do is hide it behind the plant so you can't quite tell that it's like not actually on the same stem. Be careful, don't burn your little fingers. I have a knack for that. Okay, yeah, see, that looks more full. All right, now we've got two so cute next to each other. Yay! Okay, now I'm done. Like this video, subscribe, whatever you want. You don't have to. Okay, bye. Yeah, have a great day. Drink lots of water. Be kind to your neighbors. Wash your hands.